Aku akan tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Usembut Menteri Rangba akan jela ubah Sniawbhalang dhar. Upadai chairperson jong regional committee nam ta ka West Jaiñtia Hills. Ulai thu bak sarkar Meghalaya kadang ap khatien ka sarkar asa makabai dai baka jing thau ka regional committee ka jongka syabi kini ki artli ki jela. Ken sedang ya jing keren penbait put hakawat ka baar. Haka jing keren gelap thai khubor hakan rutrik naitung aja pun rio ubah dhar ulai thu. Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaiñtia Hills, umpat IT Satya, ya ka kai phot akabai dai baka Jingdon ki Shnong ki bahap apo ka thain BLOCK-1 sya ka sarkar jela.
That they have reconstituted the committee, so we are yet to receive officially. So as soon as we receive officially from Assam, so we will discuss at the level of both the Chief Minister when we are going to meet. Oh, always a continuous process from the last one, always. The report we are just to receive from the DC, so maybe the report is ready with them, but they haven't submitted to the government because we are still waiting for the committee to be formed from that side, from the other counterpart. So as soon as the report is received, so we will place at the level of the Chief Minister, so then Chief Minister will call meeting both the regional committee and then we discuss the matter. No, village are, I cannot say 50, 30, 40, because we have to see as per the report submitted, because we are yet to submit the report. See, whenever we met both the committee, whatever the committee decided, then we will take a call. And then joint inspection is needed or not, so that both the Chief Minister will take a call accordingly.
Final report
we will
within
see
this
that no
timeline.
issue because the report is almost ready from our side. We have to submit to the office of the Chief Minister only. So I think it's a natural process only. So since the committee has been formed from the government of Assam, which that is said by you, so we have to wait for the official communication first. As soon as we receive the official communication from them, we will take a call about the civil. We have the first sitting event of the regional committee. The demand is that always please solve the border issues at the earliest. That is always the demand from every group or from every forums. There is a claim and objection in few of the areas, and that's why we need to submit the report. We need to get the report exactly from the district administration. Only then we'll be able to take a call accordingly. And that is why it called area of difference. So someone claims, someone of the other claim. That's usually called the areas of difference. And hopefully let us receive the report first from our own districts. Only then we will place it into the table of the Chief Minister. So when both the committees discuss, then we will take a call accordingly. So now it's okay. Everything is normal. The people can go to their party normally as before only.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride